Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I'll be telling you all about the basics of loops that are used in JavaScript. And spoiler alert, most of you will be using only two types of the iterating syntax that we'll see in this video. There are three different kinds of loop: for loop, while loop, and do while loop, but they all essentially do the same thing. They repeat an action some number of times. Remember that it's possible that number could be 0. Let's check out for loop. A for loop repeats until a specified condition remains true. A for statement looks like this. The initial expression usually initializes one or more loop counters, but the syntax allows an expression of any degree of complexity. The condition expression is evaluated if the condition is true, then the loop runs or else it stops. The statement executes the function or the code to be run if the condition expression is true, and the increment expression is updated if the statement is executed and the condition is still true. The do while statement repeats until a specified condition evaluates to false. The do while statement looks like this. Here, all the meaning of the statement and the condition is similar to that used in the for loop's case. At last, in case of while loop, it executes a statement as long as a specified condition evaluates to true. A while statement looks like this. So that's it for this video, and we'll continue the rest in other videos. Bye.